Now let's talk about how you can request help from your team of supporters. Oftentimes, people in your life will say that they're willing to help, but they don't know exactly what to do. By creating specific asks that are sent to the group, you're making it easier for people to say yes. And it's easier to ask because you're not managing a bunch of one-on-one conversations. That's why we routinely see over 70% of requests get fulfilled through ianacare. To create a request, go to your home screen and tap on one of the categories. We have built-in choices for getting meals delivered, coordinating rides, scheduling check-in calls and visits, help with errands and housework, assistance with child and pet care, and more. The more specific a request is, the more likely someone is to accept it, and it also ensures that you won't have 10 meals delivered one rate and none when you really need it. Speaking of meals, let's look at exactly how you'd request a meal to be delivered. First, tap on Meals. Next, add a brief description. Then set the time and date you want the meal to be delivered. You'll also want to make it clear how many people the meal is for and add any details like meal restrictions or dietary preferences. Last, choose the address you want the meal to be delivered to. Once you're done, a notification will be sent to everyone on your team, and if someone accepts your request, you'll be notified as well. If you need additional help using the ianacare app, please send us an email at help@ianacare.com or visit our help center online.